Hello everyone and welcome to my nail art channel. Today I am teaching you March and April nail art design for spring step-by-step guide. During the month of March, flowers bloom and trees begin to flourish again. There is plenty of fun and interesting things to do now that winter is almost over. Take advantage of this warming weather to show off your spring manicure with these glittery and fun March nails that just scream spring. You can start the season is style. Enough thought you can spot cherry blossom nail colors and whimsical nail art ideas all year long. It's always more exciting to wear them when the weather outside matches the vibe of your nails. Whether you are looking for March nail or April nails, we have got the perfect manicure for you. Watch full of our nail art video and design that will be perfect for whatever mood you are in during these spring months. If you are tired of the classic monotonous nail color and like to try something new, in just a few steps, these nail art designs can be easily achieved at home, or you can show these inspo photos to your nail art technicians. If you are rather get the accelerate designs, March April trends. There are lots of really gorgeous trends right now. These include number one design is flower designs. If you love the delicate flowers look, then you will fit right in with these March and April nails. After all, flowers are huge during the spring, but there are many ways you can do these designs this year. Browse through and check out the options. Sweet and simple glitter. Add just a touch of glitter to get the delicate spring vibe. Marble nails. While marble nails have been popular for a while, they definitely aren't going anywhere. I especially love this look for March nails because it's a great transition between winter and spring. Muted color tones. While spring is generally pretty vibrant, both March nail and April nails are taking on a muted palette this spring, opting for pastels and lean towards neutral shades. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye. Take care.